How's it going, guys? My name is Felipe and welcome to this conversational skills course. Now in this course, I'm going to be talking about everything from how to get over your fears of starting conversations with people, what the right mindset is, as well as what the right self-talk is. And we were going to be going over specific situations, specific venues, specific situations and people where you might be interested in starting a conversation with. I will give you the exact examples in the 4 ways that I use to start conversations, as well as you'll be going through exercises to come up with your own ways of starting conversations as well. And that is what you're going to be going through. Now, this course is for anyone that wants to be more social, that wants to create more of a social lifestyle and social way of being when you are living your life, when you're going to work, when you're going to a coffee shop, when you're going out for a party or a social or a networking event. And it can be used for anything from, again, a business networking event, dating, or just expanding your social network. So if that is something that interests you, if that is something that you want to gain that confidence of being more social and increasing your social network, then this course is for you. It's going to specialize specifically in starting conversations. So check it out, and I'll see you in the first lesson.